Hi everybody, I'm Crystal, and I'm the founder of Bagoday Crochet and More right here on YouTube. So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is subscribe. You don't want to miss out on any of these tutorials that I put on, so go ahead and do it. Go ahead and subscribe right now. I'll wait. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Crochet, you know, it's so much fun and it's so relaxing, and my video tutorials are no exception to that. In my video tutorial library, you will find hundreds and hundreds of video tutorials, no matter what level of crochet you're at. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, even an expert. I got you all covered. If you just take the time to look through all my video tutorials, I'm sure you'll find something that you love and that you want to make. I mean, I don't just do bags. I got everything you can imagine. Bags, hats, scarves, men's clothing, women's clothing, ponchos, shawls, wraps, baby clothes, baby dresses, lots of pretty baby dresses. So whatever your heart desires, it's probably there, and if it's not, hit me up and I can make it. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I really appreciate it if you could take a minute to subscribe. And then if you subscribe, you hit that little bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you'll always be notified whenever I put on a new video, because you don't want to miss out. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Bye.